Which topic we will do today? Ratio and proportion, part 6. Okay. Okay, do some exercise questions again. Exercise 12.1, class 6 maths, question 9. There are 102 teachers in a school. How many teachers are there in the school? 102 teachers. And out of 3,300 students. Find the ratio of number of teachers to number of students. How many teachers are there? 102 teachers. How many students are there? 3,300 students. What you have to find here? Find the ratio of number of teachers to number of students. Number of teachers 102, number of students 3,300. Ratio of number of teachers to number of students. Number of teachers by number of students 102 by 3,300. 102 by 3,300 is a fractional form of ratio 102 is to 3,300. Now, both numerator and denominator will divide by 6 here. Why 6? Why not 3? Why not 4? Anybody can tell me? Yes, because 6 is the HCF of 102 and 3,300. I told you in fractions chapter, right? When you are dividing, when you want to get a simplest form of fraction, you have to divide by their HCF, which is 6 here. We'll get 17 by 550. 17 by 550 is a fractional form of ratio 17 is to 550. So exercise 12.1 class 6 maths question 10. In a college, out of 4,320 students, 2,300 are girls. Find the ratio of number of girls to total number of students. Though what you have to find here, ratio of number of girls to total number of students. Number of girls 2,300 by total number of students is 4,320. Now, to get the simplest form of the fraction, so we will divide both numerator and denominator by 20 here. Why 20? Because HCF of 2,300 and 4,320 equal to 20, which will give 115 by 216. So this is the fractional form of ratio 115 is to 216. B. Number of boys to number of girls. How many boys are there? Total number minus number of girls will give you number of boys. So number of boys is 2020. Total number of girls 2300. So we'll divide both numerator and denominator by 20. Why 20? Because HCF of 2020 and 2300 is 20. So we'll get 101 by 115 is a fractional form. If you want to express in ratio form, we write as 101 is to 115. Okay. C. Number of boys to total number of students. Ratio of number of boys to total number of students. How many boys are there? 2020. Okay. How many girls? Number of students are there? 4,320. 2020 by 4,320. We'll divide both numerator and denominator by 20. Why? HCF of 2020 and 4,320 is 20. We'll get 101 by 216. This is the fractional form. If you want to express in ratio form, it is 101 is to 216. Exercise 12.1 class 6 maths question 11. Out of 1,800 students in school, 750 opted basketball, 800 opted cricket and remaining opted table tennis. If a student can opt only one game, find the ratio of number of students who opted basketball to number of students who opted tennis. Okay. Total number of students is 1,800. Number of students opting basketball 750. Number of students who opted cricket 800. Number of remaining students who opted table tennis 1,800 minus 750 plus 800. Why? Each student is opting only one game and 750 students are asking basketball and 800 are opting cricket. 750 are opting basketball, 800 cricket. To find out how many students can opting for table tennis, total students is 1,800 minus 750 plus 800. That is students opting basketball plus students who opted cricket. So 1,800 minus 1,550, which will give 250. 250 students opted table tennis. Ratio of number of students opted basketball to number of students opted table tennis. 750 by 250. Divide both numerator and denominator by the HCF. What is the HCF of 750 and 250? It is 250. We will get 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is a fractional form of ratio 3:1. Can express 3 by 1 fraction as 3:1 in ratios. Okay. Number of students who opted cricket to number of students opting basketball. Number of students opted cricket is 800. Number of students opting basketball is 750. Now, we'll divide both numerator and denominator by 50. Why 50? Why not 20, 30? Because HCF of 800 and 750 is 50. So, to reduce fraction to simplest form, divide numerator denominator both by the HCF of the numerator and denominator. Okay. So, 16 by 15 is the answer. So 16 by 15 fraction can be expressed in ratio as 16:15. C. Number of students who opted basketball to total number of students. Ratio of number of students opted basketball to total number of students. So, number of students opted basketball 750 by total number of students is 1800. 750 by 1800. We will divide both numerator denominator by 150. Why 150? Because 150 is the HCF of 750 and 1800, to give 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 fraction can be expressed in ratio as 5:12. Okay, exercise 12.1 class 6 maths. Question 12. Cost of dozen pens is rupees 180. Cost of 8 ball pens is rupees 56. Find the ratio of cost of pen to cost of ball pen. What is the cost of dozen pens? Dozen means how much? 12, right? So dozen means 12. So dozen pens means 12 pens. Cost of 12 pens is rupees 180. Cost of 8 ball pens is rupees 56. Find the ratio of cost of pen to cost of ball pen. Cost of 1 dozen pens or 12 pens 180. Cost of 1 pen is rupees 180 by 12 rupees 15. Cost of 8 ball pens rupees 56. Cost of 1 ball pen is 56 by 8 7 rupees. Ratio of cost of 1 pen to cost of 1 ball pen. So 15 by 7. 15 by 7 is a fractional form. If you have to express in the form of ratios, it can be written as 15:7. The required ratio is 15:7. The ratio of cost of pen to cost of ball pen is 15:7. Okay, children, we'll continue the next part in the next session.